Be in the place to be. The video you guys about to see is me repairing a 2013 Camaro for my boy Cheddar Boy. So y'all check the video out. Let me know what y'all think about it. Big shot, Cheddar. Yeah. Gotta do some shaping there. Gotta do some shaping. You gotta see how I got the whole thing blocked out like this. Oh, you can't see it right now because the primer though. Yeah, like I said, I gotta do some sanding and shaping, blocking. A little more blocking, a few more hours of blocking. Any dents and anything. Show you where your body line at, show you what's up. You see any waves? I'm actually wet sanding the body work right now. See, I got that crease back like I told y'all. Gotta do a little more sand on this side though. But we got this side together. It's all about getting that crease. That crease was the hardest thing to do, to be honest with you. And to get that body line, it's a body line right here, going all the way across. I don't know. There you go, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me wet it up again. Bam. There we go. Now you see that body line. See that line? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a line. Right across there. Called a body line. Like I said, basically putting the same thing back. Now I gotta get the block. Do a little finger job in there probably, in a block, on all three of them to smooth everything back out. But 80% of it is there. Like I said, I'm gonna do one more time with my body next.